Hi friends! Let's learn about rainbow colors. This lollipop has all the colors. See the red? Next is orange and yellow. And purple. Great job! Hi kids! Let's learn about the color pink. Here's a pink flamingo. It stands on one leg. This is pink ice cream. It's so yummy! And a happy pink heart. Yellow is a bright and happy color. It's the color of sunshine and bananas. And these cute toys are all yellow too. Can you find something yellow? Hi kids! Let's learn about the color red. Red is a bright color, like this apple, and this yummy strawberry, and a floating red balloon. Hi! Let's learn about white. This is a white cloud. Raindrops fall from it. A white swan with big wings, a fluffy white sheep, and a cute white rabbit. White is everywhere. Hi! Let's learn about the color brown. This is a yummy chocolate bar all brown. A tree stump is brown, and so is this teddy bear. And look at this cute brown things. Bye! Hi! Let's learn about the color purple. Look at these shiny purple grapes. They bounce. This purple eggplant wobbles. It's so shiny. And this flower smiles. Purple is so pretty.
Green is the color of nature, like this happy frog. And this crunchy cucumber. The tree and leaves are green too. Green is fresh and full of life.
Hi kids! This is the color gray. See? Everything here is gray. Is like an elephant and a little mouse. Gray is like a rock or a fluffy cloud. Can you find something gray today? Hi kids! Look at all these orange things. First, the word arrange in big orange letters. Here's a cute orange fish swimming by. There's a pretty long orange carrot. Hi! This color is called turquoise. It's a mix of blue and green, like my shiny gem. It's a beautiful color. Yeah, turquoise is cool. Hi kids! Let's learn about the color blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean, and lots of fun things, like me and my friends. What blue things do you see? Hi, let's learn about black. This is a black cat, a black penguin, a black bat, a black tire. All these things are black. Bye for now. Hi, let's learn about gold things. This big gold word spells gold. A shiny gold star for being great. A happy gold coin makes you one.